everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making something super delicious and something I've been wanting to try for a very long time because I love all the flavors that are going to be going into this today. So today we're going to be making maple pecan brownies. So there's a lot of elements to this. We need to make some candied maple pecans, and we're also then going to obviously be making a delicious fudgy super rich brownie. It's all going to go together and it's all going to be like a maple chocolate pecan explosion. So if you want to learn how to make this, keep watching. So first of all, we're going to candy some pecans. So I'm going to take some pecans that I have chopped. I've got about a cup here. It's just roughly chopped. Some are bigger, some are full size, some are little. And I'm going to put that in a... mind blank. I'm going to put that in a frying pan with a touch of coconut oil, maple syrup, salt, and just a touch of vanilla essence, just for a little bit of a oomph. I'm going to fry those up for about 5 minutes, and then they'll be lovely and sticky and mapley and slightly salty, which is just what we want to be able to cut through all that sweetness of the chocolate of the brownie. So now that the pecans are done, I've set them to the side to let them cool. And now we're going to get started on the brownies, and I have here some chocolate and butter. We're going to melt that together while we then beat the sugar, brown sugar, and because we want these super mapley, maple syrup with the eggs and vanilla essence. We want that lovely and fluffy so we get a nice crackly top on these brownies. So now that your butter and your chocolate is melted, we're going to add that to the egg mixture and mix it up. Now that that's all mixed and it's all lovely and thick and chocolatey and you just want to drink it straight from the bowl, restrain yourself. Now we're going to add the flour and cocoa, and we're just going to fold that through. We don't want to overmix this. And once that's folded through, we're going to fold through all our lovely candied pecans. Now that I have my lovely mixture here, and I hope you guys do too, I am going to pour that into a 9x9 baking pan. I just line mine with baking paper because I just can't be bothered greasing and then trying to get it out of the pan. If you prefer greasing your pan with butter or with non-stick spray, please feel free. And then we're going to bake it at 160 degrees. It's optional halfway through the baking process to add just some full pecans to the top, just for a little bit of added look to the brownies. I'm going to do this obviously because I'm going to be taking photos for the blog, but if you don't feel like doing this, don't worry about it. Now that they're all baked, I'm going to let these cool. Can't wait to get into these because they look so good. Now I let mine cool in the fridge just so that I get a nice slice, but it's entirely up to you how you let these cool, whether you just let them cool and they're still lovely and fudgy at room temperature, or if you prefer them more like dense from the fridge. Entirely up to you. But I hope you enjoy these brownies, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you want more videos like this one. If you have any recipes you want to see me make, please suggest them down below in the comments. The link to the full recipe is in the description below. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye!